It's so good opportunity, not only for Kenya, but also you and your colleagues.
We are very, very proud to host you guys.
I'm quite sure that we will learn a lot from you.
You have a busy 4 days, a lot to learn and a lot to prepare for.
This gathering is another important step towards strengthening Isuzu presence and impact in Africa.
I want to welcome you most sincerely to Nairobi, to Kenya, and to this our great facility, and share our experience.
Isuzu?
Price is the only dealer that we have which does leasing.
Happiness.
To happiness.
Thank you. Yes.
I believe we are much more capable of winning those two phases if we dedicate attention to the number one of our companies, who are our employees.
It was a great experience and many ideas, simple ideas, but very useful, even strategic ideas, will be very important for our market.
Coming to Kenya and seeing the different aspects and the different methods, it gives us idea. Maybe certain things not applicable for our market, but yes, it can give us a new perspective to think in a new way and to come up, especially the examples of the grassroots workshops.
And the one thing we have to appreciate is, as you see, the volumes in Kenya done by IE and the sub-dealers, those volumes were not there some years back. This workshop has changed our mindset. We have fresh perspective.